Hello, welcome student. This is another very important problem for all of the student who are appearing to joint entrance main advanced AITPL and all other engineering entrance examinations. Here is important problem, that is the we have to find the value of C0 square, uh, 3C1 square, 5C2 square, and so on to n plus 1 terms. Okay. Before starting my video, you are all please subscribe my channel and stay connected with me because this is very much beneficial all of you. Okay. So now we start our problem here. You can see that we have given C0 square plus C1, sorry, 3C1 square plus 5C2 square and so on to n plus 1 terms. Okay, this is equals to C0 square plus 3C1 square plus 5C2 square and so on to here 2n plus 1 Cn. We arrange this first as C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square and so on to Cn square. And the rest of these we take common 2 as C1 square plus 2C2 square and so on to n Cn square. Okay, you all know this is 2n Cn here. Okay, and we write rest of the 2C2 square and n Cn square here. We put here number 1. Okay, now as we know that 1 plus x whole to the power n, that is equals to C0 plus C1x plus C2x square and so on to Cn x to the power n. Okay, we differentiate with respect to x, we get here n into 1 plus x whole to the power n minus 1. Here C0 is constant, so we have this is 0. Now C1 plus 2 C2x plus 3 C3 x square and so on to here n Cn x to the power n minus 1. Okay, and we may write this in the reverse order, that is x plus 1 whole to the power n here, x plus 1 whole to the power n. This is c0 x to the power n plus c1 x to the power n minus 1 plus and so on to cn. We put here number 2 and here number 3. Now we multiply these two, that is equation 2 and 3. We multiply these two. Okay. Now come to the next page. Next page here. We multiply, that is multiply 2 and 3. Okay. Then we get here n into 1 plus x whole to the power 2n minus 1, that is equals to c1 plus 2 c2 plus 3 c3 x squared. Here we write x. Okay. And so on to n cn x to the power n minus 1. We multiply this with c0 x square plus c1 here in c0 x to the power n c1 x to the power n minus 1 c2 x to the power n minus 2 and so on to cn. Now we comparing the coefficient of x to the power n minus 1. Then we get here c1 square plus 2 c2 square plus 3 c3 square and n cn square, that is equals to n 2n minus 1 c n minus 1. So we put here another number, that is 4. Now from equation 1 we get c0 square plus 3 c1 square plus 5 c2 square and so on to 2n plus 1 into cn square. That is we get earlier in the problem, that is 2n cn plus 2n c 2n into 2n minus 1 c n minus 1. Okay. Now here we get 2n divided by n plus 2n, also here 2n minus 1 c n minus 1. Cancel out this 2, that is 2 into n plus 1 into 2n minus 1 c n minus 1. We write this portion as we know 2n minus 1 c n minus 1 that is 2n minus 1 c 2n minus 1 minus n plus 1. These two cancel out, that is 2n minus 1 c n. So this is n plus 1 2n minus 1 cn. This is one of the answer. Here the option multiple option is correct here. uh, so again write from this. Okay, write from this. So as we get here, that is 2n, we get here uh, 2 into n plus 1 2n minus 1 cn minus 1. We multiply this, that is uh, 2n into 2n minus 1 cn minus 1 plus 2n minus 1 cn minus 1. Okay, now we have here, that is write here 2. Okay, 2 here. So we may write this actually 2n minus 1 cn minus 1. Okay, we separate one terms from this, and 2n plus 1 here, that is 2n minus 1 cn minus 1. Okay, we get here, we may write this 2n cn or 2n plus 1, that is 2n minus 1 cn minus 1. This is the another option. So here you see there, this is the multiple option correct answer type question here. So guys, if you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe me and share it to your friend also. Okay, thank you for watching.